Hi, just short video to show this Dyson V6 Animal cordless vacuum cleaner. This is serial number MJ5-UK-HGS5235A. Comes with official power supply and wall mount or docking station. Has no screws. Put any screws in it if you want to use it on the wall. Brush head, combination tool and crevice tool. A Dyson wand. Does have little scratches. Don't know if you can see it along. And the actual vacuum cleaner. The filter, I have put the filter through the washing machine. I have washed out the head and the bin. It still have dust in tight places. Comes with a brand new 4000 mAh battery. It hasn't been used at all, so please charge it fully according to the lights. So when the light goes out, it should be fully charged. On the back you have the economy or the maximum button. Most people use these on economy because when you use it on maximum or boost power, the battery doesn't last long, but Dyson batteries don't last long, only about 6 minutes on that. The bush bar has been fully cleaned, taken apart, all the rollers cleaned. I'll put it together quickly just to show it working. I'll show you it without, and then put it on max. When it's on max, a blue light appears. Try to put this together one-handed. I've many Dysons in stock. I'll show it working quickly. Please take a look at my other items listed. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.